Hey, what's up you guys? So today we're going to be talking about the iPhone 16 Pro Max and iPhone 16 just in general. And I know you guys been waiting for this video. Honestly, I think I've been waiting for this video or to even talk about it. Now, the iPhone 16 and 16 Pro Max have this new feature that's really caught my attention. Other than the Apple Intelligence, their new camera button. Knowing me, I use my phone to film most of my videos. I do love how iPhone cameras have really evolved over the years, but having this feature is a big help, especially when filming in portrait mode. Especially when I need to take some B-roll shots of anything, you can sort of control almost the exposure, aperture, and then also just like the focal length, I believe. And I think that by far has been my most favorite feature of this phone. Other than that, we're going to talk about a few specs that I've seen too. I mean, there's even some battery things that I've seen that was not mentioned, such as the battery being 2 hours more longer than last year's, which is probably why they didn't mention it. But after doing my research, I was like, oh, hey, 2 hours more, I get it. And I totally understand why they wouldn't mention it, because it's not a lot. But moving forward from that one, we're gonna get a new Fusion 48 megapixel camera with a better, I think it's a 12 megapixel wide angle lens, which is gonna be absolutely amazing. We get that new A18 and A18 Pro chip, which is going to be very powerful and much easier for it to process a lot more. But the best show of it all, this entire phone was all based on Apple Intelligence. Everything that they have, everything that it does, everything that it could help you with as a person or in general. I think one, rewrite is one of my favorite things. It's gonna help you rewrite your scripts, your stories, your essays, and sort of gonna fix that up for you. Second, generative emoji is probably one of my most anticipated waiting for this feature to roll out. I mean, I've been on the iOS 18 beta for quite some time now, and let me tell you, it's been pretty amazing, but I'm just waiting for all these new features to sort of roll out so we can try them for the first time. And then ChatGPT with Siri is probably going to be a killer, but also one feature that Apple Intelligence that just blew my mind, that I know I will be using a lot, is their Apple Intelligence like photo system, where if you don't know what an object is or like where it's from or anything like that, you can pull up the camera, it's going to scan it, and it's going to tell you exactly what it is, where to buy it, how that restaurant is, what that restaurant is, and just do a lot more with that. Now let me know what you guys think of this iPhone 16, because I know just a lot of the Apple Intelligence, yes, is going to be very absolutely amazing and the main star of this update, but for me, it's going to be that camera and that capture button. But let me know what your favorite color is.